Hey, what's up? My name is UV,
I'm Jason.
and we're the co-founders of Autosana, a mobile QA agent. Jason and I have been building mobile apps for the last 5 years, and QA has always been a huge pain.
And tools like Claude Code and Cursor make dev so much faster, but QA is just kind of left in the dust. So there's this huge QA bottleneck, and we're here to close that loop.
Let's get started. So the first thing you do is that you upload your app, and you're able to do this manually or through your CI/CD for automatic uploads from your code base. We support both iOS and Android and are framework agnostic. So if it's a mobile app, we can test it.
And we're going to be using the Zest app. They're one of our early customers. App of the day today in India, app of the day 3 times in the US. Check them out. Shout out Zest.
Next, you go to your flows tab, and flows are essentially your test cases. And here's an example of one. Sign in with credentials, add something to your menu, navigate to the menu page and make sure that item shows up in the list, and then make sure the ingredients show in the grocery list. And let's see what happens when we ran this.
So the app is booted up, the agent has started, and you can see the purple dot on the screen indicates for each step where the agent is actually tapping. And you probably noticed the OS level notifications pop up in the beginning. And the cool part is the agent just blows right through this, unlike traditional end-to-end test scripts that would get stuck on something like this. And so now we are tapping on the menu in the bottom. We're going to the groceries tab, and we're going to make sure that we actually see that recipe added to the groceries list. And we're swiping left, and we found the tacos recipe, and now we're going to complete the flow.
So now I'm going to show you an example of what happens when Autosana actually finds a bug. Here are the instructions of this flow. Sign in with credentials, edit the settings in some way, and log out. And when it logs out, it should see a pop-up. So we've logged in and now going to the settings icon, and per the instructions, we're going to add an allergy and then delete that allergy to make sure that the state is saved. Then after that, we're going to go ahead and log out and verify that that pop-up was shown, which you can see here that pop-up wasn't shown and failing the flow. When a bug is found, it is immediately reported to the team via Slack or email.
And you can imagine having hundreds or even thousands of these flows running against every build of your app, saving your team hours on every single release.
If you've been struggling with mobile QA, we'd love to get you started. Feel free to reach out. Thank you guys.
That's it.